For Ashley, looking her best is a must. Even before she became a bodybuilder and fitness model, she struggled with her hair.
I describe it as baby fine hair. I have very baby fine hair. I mean, the wind blows the wrong way, it's gonna break. My hair had gotten to a point where it was very brittle, it was breaking. I couldn't grow it long to save my life or to even look like it was healthy. My hair would never hold a curl, ever. I would put a curl in and no matter, I could plaster cement to it and it would droop. I couldn't put my hair up in like a fancy ponytail. I've tried so many products, I've wasted all this money trying all these products and nothing's working, I don't know what to do.
After a consultation, Ashley got her hair, and her life was instantly improved.
And it's an instant ego boost, instant. I mean, there's no waiting for it. They come in and they swing that chair around and you're like, oh my God. Like even the first time I freaked out, but you just love it. You automatically, I love playing with it. I love looking at it. Now I can throw it up and it looks cute and I can put curls in it or I can keep it straight. It just looks great. The first words of advice I would give anybody that is struggling with any type of hair, whether it be loss or breakage or anything, would be to walk through the door.
For more information, call Invisions at 800-842-4247 or visit us online at envisionshair.com.